Wildcats, and welcome to Wednesday, January 20th, 2021. All right, today is National Cheese Lovers Day, but it is also National DJ Day, and that was one of the most requested songs in the 1970s, so I just randomly picked a song. Today we have 3 pledgers from Mrs. Ortiz's class, and their names are
Abel, Davian.
All right, if you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, face the American flag inside your classroom, and we'll go ahead and do our pledges. I pledge allegiance
to thee, one state under God, one indivisible,
with liberty and justice for all. And now the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Thank you. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? And you may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved, and you have the right to feel respected. If at any time you do not feel safe, loved, or respected, please tell a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. We do have a happy birthday in the house. Happy birthday to Miss Esther E. in pre-K 3. We wish you a very, very happy Wednesday birthday. We do have a couple of announcements. 2nd grade is still doing COGAT testing, and that will be happening in the downstairs lab. Brighter Bites, which was scheduled for today, is canceled, so please remember that. Also, today is Inauguration Day, so it is a pretty monumental day, and while you may not get to see it here at school, please make sure that you do try to watch it this afternoon when you get home. You can join the Counselor Corner Google Classroom and learn all about Inauguration Day. The code to that is ZHIJJOU. The Character Education themes for the month of January are perseverance and courage. Albert Einstein, the great physicist and developer of the theory of relativity, once said, "It's not that I'm smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer." All right. So, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is yours. And if you get to watch any of the inauguration today, you can come back and let your teacher know how exciting it was, because today, for the very first time, we will have a female elected to the 2nd highest office in the U.S.